Let me show you how to add videos to your playlists. One way is to add one video at a time. So if you have a video, such as this one right here, we can actually go to the edit button to edit the video, and there is an option to add to specific playlists, any one you wish. However, if you want to work within a playlist or add multiple videos to a playlist, you'll need to go to your YouTube Studio and click on Playlists. Then select the playlist you want to work with. Once you're here, there are a number of things you can do to your playlist, but it's not quite obvious how to add a video to a playlist. What you need to do is go to these three dots right here and click on Add Videos. From here, you can search for YouTube videos to put in your playlist or a specific URL, or look through your videos to add, and you can add multiple videos to that playlist. Click on the video and then click Add Video or Add Videos. Playlists are obviously very helpful to organize videos, some of your favorite videos on YouTube, whether yours or other people's videos. However, playlists are really important as a part of growing your YouTube channel because we want to give YouTube good data, and we also want to help people find videos that are related to the videos that they enjoyed, specifically more of your videos. And when you put them in a playlist, well, YouTube will be more likely to recommend that video, or at least give it an opportunity to be up next as it is related to the video they just watched. So if you have a really popular video, think about what would be the next video of yours that people would like to see, and then so on. The next video after that, and maybe put a playlist together of maybe 3, 5, maybe not more than 7 videos, all related. And this will help YouTube promote your videos, especially within suggested videos, and also help people find more like content of yours. And helping people find more of your content is always a good thing. All right, if you do put other people's videos in your playlist, well, you can't make it an official playlist.